Hello friends, in this video we will see a program called binary search. So we have an array. I have declared an array of size 50, so we can use less than that depending on the number we enter for the value n. We can use only 10 out of it. So we'll use only 10 in this program. So I have declared a variable called key. So this is the key element which we'll be searching. Whatever the value inside the key will be the search element. So we are using it for a loop variable. We have three variables: low, mid and high. This will use for index of arrays. So initially we say the user to enter the size of the array. So the user enters and will take input as input using the scanf statement. So we will take the value for n, and depending on n we'll take the input for the array. So it's I less than 10, we'll take 10, so it will be for 10 values. So I less than 10. So from a of 0 to a of 9 we'll take all the values inside the for loop. So this way we know this part of the program. We already seen how to take input from the keyboard. So now next we'll ask the user to enter element to search, enter the number to search. So we'll scan that into variable key. Okay, then we'll initialize the low variable for 0. So because arrays are 0 indexed, we'll use 0 as low and we'll use high as n minus 1. So for example, in this program we'll use 10 as n. So 10 minus 1 is 9 is the high value. So we'll use key as 77. We'll enter key next here as 77. So this is the array. So here we can see low is 0. That is, this is 0. So a of low is 11. Low is 0. So a of low, that is a of 0 is 11. A of 9, that is a of high. You can see high is equal to n minus 1 here. So that is 10 minus 1 is 9. So a of 9 is 99. So a of high is 99, a of low is 11. So first we'll start with the loop. So here when low is less than or equal to high, so 0 is less than high, that is less than 9. So is true. So this enters the while loop. So once the control goes to while loop, we are calculating mid. So mid is calculated using low plus high by 2. Low is 0. You can see low is 0 and high is 9, this value. So we are adding 0 and 9 divided by 2. So that will be 9 by 2 will be 4.5. Since mid is an integer, so 4.5 will not be saved, only 4 will be saved in mid. So 4 is the mid value. So now we are checking a of 4 is equal to key. So mid is 4. So a of 4 is equal to key. So we'll see what's in a of 4. So a of 4 is 56 and it's not equal to 77. We are looking for 77. So this is not key. So this statements will not be executed, and it will go to this statement, if statements, key less than a of mid. So we have key 77 less than a of mid. A of mid is 56. So it's not less, key is not less than a of mid. Key is greater than a of mid. So the else block will be executed. Since we have key is 77 and mid is a of mid is 56. So this statement is false. 77 is not less than 56. So this statement will not be executed, and low is equal to mid plus high. Mid plus 1. The mid value is 4. The 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So a of mid will be here, and 5 becomes mid plus 1 is 5. Okay, we'll calculate mid later. So now low is mid plus 1. So mid is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 is low. So it comes here. Okay. So I will black this out. Okay. So now you can see this becomes low because here we don't have the value. So one more thing you have to remember is whenever we do a binary search, the elements should be arranged in either ascending order or descending order. So in this case, it should be in ascending order, whatever logic we have written for ascending order. So here, since the mid value, what previously 56 was mid, but the key is greater than 56, so we'll start searching from the next element of 56, the mid element, to 99. So it will be between 66 and 99. So it cannot be before the mid value because mid value is less than the key. So key is greater than the mid value. So it will be definitely after 56, after the A of 4. So we will start searching from here. So this we will consider as low and this we will consider as high. Now we have low value as 5 and mid value as high value as 9. 9 plus 5 is 14 divided by 2. 7 will become mid value. So now A of mid is this location, that is 77. So you can see after this execution it again goes back here. Low less than high is true because now low is 5 and high is 9. So that is true. So next again mid is equal to low plus high by 2. That is low is 5, high is 9. 9 plus 5 by 2 is 14 by 2 is 7. So 7 becomes mid. So now it checks A of mid is equal to key. A of 7 is equal to key, and it is true. You can see it is equal to 77. So it says key found and it exits out of the program. So this way whenever the key, see you can see we did only first we searched between 11 and 99. So and we searched a middle value. So we checked once here and then we found that this value will not be between this value and this value because key is greater than these values. So we started search for second search will be from here to here. So here we found that the mid value will be here and it's equal to 77, the key element. So we did only 2 searches. We did not do more than 2 search. If we had used the linear search, we had to search first this element we have to compare it with the key 77. If it's false, we have to go to the next element and it's false again and we have to compare again 6, it will be false again, and we have to check with 47, it will be false again. We have to check until we get to the 77. So we had to iterate the loop from 0 to 7. Then only once keys will be equal to A of 7, then it will be true and it says key found. So in linear search, so it has to take every step, but in binary search first it will take the lowest and highest value. In between it will calculate a mid value. So if the mid value is less than the key, so then this mid value is assumed as low and the high values remain high. So it will start searching from the next value of the low value and the high value. So now again mid matched here. So we can do in 2 searches, we can in only 2 loops iteration in one. Once the loop executes one time and second time we can find the element here. So it does not take a lot of time to search in the binary search. So binary search is faster than linear search. Again it depends on where the value is, but it will definitely take less time. If for example if 77 in the first place, so linear search would be faster than binary search. So again depends on the value. If the values are in ascending order and we know it will be somewhere in the between, then we can use binary search. So we'll execute this program. We'll do Alt F9. And we'll do Control F9. So we'll say enter the size of array. I'll enter 5 as a size. So I'll enter values 1, space 2, space 3, space 4, space 5. I'll enter 5 values. So I'll enter search element as 3. It says key found. So this program works fast if you have so many values in a list and they are in ascending order. If they are in random order, you cannot use binary search. So if you have to use on a random numbers, you have to first arrange them in ascending order and then do a binary search. We'll see how to do binary search in the next video. We'll see bubble sorting. We'll see how to arrange values in an ascending order in the next video. So in this video, you have to be careful. First we search between these two elements and we assign one value as mid here, that is 4 is mid, that is the low value is 0, high value is 9, 9 plus 0 plus divide by 2 is 4, actually 4.5, but this is an integer, we get 4, so this will be the mid element, but A of mid is 56, so it's less than key, so key will be definitely between 56 and 99, so we'll not start searching for 56, we'll start from 66, that is mid plus 1 will be the low now, and high will remain high. So now we'll search for a mid element again. We'll add 5 plus 9 divided by 2, we get 7. So we'll check if the mid value is equal to the key, then it's found. If it's not found, again we have to see whether the mid value is less than the key. If the mid value is less than the key, then the mid value will become low, or the next element will become low and the high element will remain high. So you have to be very careful in binary search. I hope you understood this logic. So it's because the values are in ascending order, we can use a binary search to search any element. So that will be very fast if you use a binary search. Friends, in this video we saw what a binary search is in arrays. We'll see bubble sort in the upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.